So I didn't want to go out and buy me something else. So look, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to change the look on it by putting these flowers. Like, there's just different flowers I got from Dollar Tree, and see if we can change it up a little bit. I was thinking of maybe putting these greens around so it can kind of cover the fall decor. I don't know, I'll figure it out how I'm gonna do it. I'll let you guys know. But this is what I'm starting off with. If I take off the flowers, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like with the flowers. I would just have to like put something there. And then of course my favorite. So that's kind of what it would look like with the flowers, without the flowers. And I will let you guys see it also when I have it hung up in my living room. Meanwhile, what I'm going to use is just a hot glue gun to glue everything on. And then we'll take our next step from there. Since it's like this piece and then it's also these trees that I'm gonna put flowers on. So, and I have some flowers there, so we'll see how that works out. And then all that is gonna go on that wall. I just have stuff everywhere because I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. So hopefully I'll show you our next step right now. So here is the finished product. Everything's glued on. Now it looks springy. Looks nice. I like it. I like the way it turned out. Now moving along to start the tree. We're going to change it up so it can go from fall to spring. So like I told you guys before, I'm just going to hot glue everything down. You guys had seen the before, and this is what it's going to look after I put on the flowers on the tree. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully colorful, beautiful, and we can go from there. Okay, so here we have the finished product. I like it. This is what I like. I thought it looked cute. It's just to give somebody an idea of what you can do with decor that you already have at your house, and you just kind of want to change things up a little bit, and you don't want to waste too much. Okay, here we have the second tree. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up and then show you guys how it all came together. Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you guys how it all came together in my living room. I thought it looks nice. I like it. Something simple, something to do pretty quick. It didn't take me long, maybe like 2 hours if that. Hot glued everything and just put it up. And I'm ready for spring.